In this video, we'll be going over Como Han Pasado los Años, Violin 2. I will be going back and forth as there is double stops, so I'll be splitting those double stops instead of playing two notes at the same time. We'll be playing each note separately. So in the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Top violin, and for second violin it's F sharp. Next section is B. Ready? So you start with those two notes. So it's going to go 1, 2, up. Then top part. For that part, starting on the A at the bottom. Next section, starting on the D. 1, 2, 3. Next part. 1, 2, 3, 4. Some notes. Okay. AV8, we're going to keep it low. It's going to go 3, 4. All seconds are going to be doing the bottom part of this next part on the triple lip. So it's going to be, you're all going to do bottom. 1, 2. 1, 2. Top part. And if you're bottom second, you're going. Next part, it's going to be up bow. 3, 4. Ending is going to be all trio voices, and that's violin 3.